Really?
Yeah.
Not good if you're sweating a lot, which all do. We sweat about 1 pint of sweat every day, both feet, which is about a whole bottle of water. That's how much we sweat every day.
Wow.
Yeah, 16 ounce. Miles back, right, Miles? How you doing?
Okay.
So he's back. So we got the lab results back. It's a non-dermatophyte. It's one of the fungus families. It's not as usual as dermatophyte family, so we have to give him a different medication to put on them, right? So we're gonna cut it down a little bit and prepare for the nail bed and the nail, so that when he puts the medication, he'll be able to penetrate into the nail. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do today. So how you doing, Miles?
Good.
Okay, so we're gonna cut as much as we can today again. Okay, I know we have really long nail last time, so the medication you're gonna put on daily. Okay, it's like it looks like a cream, and then you're gonna put it on these two nails. Okay.
Just the big one?
Yeah, just do these two for now, and then I'm gonna see how you progress next couple of months. If I don't see a lot of progress on the new nail, I may do some laser, because laser kill the fungus. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do, and then
And when should I put the medication on, like right before bed?
yes, probably that's the best, so that if you walk around too much with the socks on, then it's gonna go all over the place, right? So probably the best if you do it at nighttime, so you're not walking around too much.
Is that only on the nail or on the whole toe?
Just the nails, and around the nails, obviously. Okay, and start from the tip, and then top of the nail all over at the base too. Okay, because we want the new nail to grow out from the base, so that's what we want to see. And I want to get this one down even more today, so you'll get ready for the medication. And then you're going to be soaking and drying and cleaning and all those, right? You got the information on those, okay? So
Only one time a day, or?
which one? Soaking?
Yeah.
Yeah, soaking once a day is good. So best time to soak it is after you come out of the shower. You soak it, and then let it dry out, and then you put the medication, okay?
We've been doing backward. We soak it first and then we shower.
Yeah, either way is fine. Either way is fine. Whatever is more convenient for you.
If I soak it after the shower, do I have to use the hairdryer again, or do I just let it dry out?
You can let it dry out. The hair drying is very good because it makes sure all the little water is all dried up everywhere.
Do we have to wash it after soak it, or just let it like that?
Let it dry up, yeah.
Oh.
It's already clean with all the
Okay.
Epsom salt, right? Epsom salt, it kills everything, right?
We do Epsom salt, baking soda.
You put all of that in there.
cider,
Yeah.
Whatever you list, we put everything.
Everything in there. It
We
gets pretty
follow.
gunky though. It gets pretty sticky, right? Get pretty gunky, no? Doesn't? No, not bad.
It
Okay.
has a smell to it.
No. You put the tea tree oil
Yeah,
too.
the tea tree oil is the one that I don't like this.
You don't like the smell?
Yeah.
That's probably the most effective one though.
Where do we get the good one? Does that matter what kind of tea tree oil?
I buy organic tea tree oil because a lot of the oil tainted also.
Where is the best?
Best one, you just look up organic. I put in, I buy from Amazon. I just put in organic tea tree oil. There are many different brands there.
They come in like a small bottle, right?
Yeah, they come in small bottle with a little applicator, And then the most important is rotating shoes.
Yeah, he's been doing that too.
Yeah, don't wear the same shoe 2 days in a row, right? You have a couple pairs of shoes?
Yeah.
I have two right now.
Okay, so you need to rotate them and then use like a spray,
Spray, yeah.
anti-fungal spray.
Yeah, good patient. We do everything the patient says
He's a good patient, huh? And then how about socks? What socks do you use?
We just bought new ones. They're mostly polyester.
Polyester, right? Yeah. No cotton, okay? Yeah, I know people like cotton, but cotton shoes are not good for wetness. It draws the moisture, but it doesn't wick the moisture. So usually cotton is good if you have really dry skin. Okay, but if you have wetness which creates fungus, then you want more synthetic one. And this is the only time I recommend anything synthetic. I'm a natural kind of guy, but that's what I recommend.
Are there other materials like synthetic besides the polyester?
Yeah, there's a lot of there's a brand called MAXX, which has really good material for MAXX with the double X, MAXX, MAXX. I don't get money from them or anything, but they have a very good athletic and different type of socks. Okay. Your nail looks a lot better now. This one looks almost normal, you see?
Yep.
Already.
Which
This-
one, the other one?
This one's a little thicker. So I'm getting it down as much as I can.
Yeah, that kind of hurts.
It kind of hurts. Say it louder.
Oh, it hurts?
Yeah, a little
Sorry, where? This side or this side?
wherever you were just doing it.
Okay. Sorry, I'm trying to get it down. Trying to make it look really good here. Oops, sorry.
So the other nail is okay, right? We don't have to put the things on?
Which one?
Or the other toe?
No, the other ones look fine.
Just need to clean it, right?
Mm-hmm. So I made you bleed a little, so I need to find something to stop that. That's why you're hurting a little bit, sorry. Miles, I'm bleeding a little bit. Sorry, is it okay?
Oh, that hurts.
Oh, sorry, it's burning a little bit, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, looks okay. I want to cut a little bit more on this side. Kind of a little bit ingrown here, too. So clean it up a little bit. Get a lot of stuff underneath it. Okay. Looks a lot better. This doesn't hurt right in the corner here?
No.
No? Okay.
It will heal, right?
Yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, no problem.
Will that come back or
Which one?
the fungus, will that come back? Or?
Well, that's the problem. Fungus is everywhere, you know? So you have to be careful. You have to take care of it. Your hygiene is a big issue. Right? So you have to keep your feet dry. You have to change your socks and your shoes often, you know? Spray stuff, you
I'm
know?
pretty bad. I always wear one pair of shoes.
Hmm?
I always wear one pair of shoes only.
Really?
Yeah.
Not good if you're sweating a lot, which all do. We sweat about 1 pint of sweat every day, both feet, which is about a whole bottle of water. That's how much we sweat every day.
Wow.
Yeah, 16-ounce bottle. That's why we need to take care of our shoes and socks. Okay.
I know that my feet like sweat a lot.
Mm-hmm.
So like if I'm spending all day outside or all day at school, should I bring like an extra pair of socks?
Yes, absolutely. Yeah, and then extra pair of shoes too sometimes, and then spray it every night, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Very good. Good seeing you again, Miles. I think it's very good. Thank you for allowing me to film you today.